Hello, in this video I will show you how to complete your next lab sessions. The main tool we will use basically is Circuit Lab Simulator, and you will be following the lab handbook, answering the questions raised there, and putting those answers into your lab reports. Let's do a practical example. So in this lab we want to study resonance in series and parallel RLC circuits. So the things you want to do is basically to implement this circuit using Circuit Lab Simulator and trying to answer all these questions. Okay, let's do it in Circuit Lab Simulator first. This is a similar circuit to the one you want to build. Here you have an R, L and C circuit using a sine function with this parameter. Probably these values are different from the ones you want to use, but this is just an example. Okay. Once you have built the circuit, adding the elements from the left, as you know, resistor, capacitor and inductor, same for voltage source, you want to go to simulate. And this time, instead of doing a DC simulation, you will do a time domain simulation. Why time domain? Because we want to see the transient time. So basically we will see the output as a scope, not as a multimeter. Okay, that's why we want to do this time domain. If you add the different nodes here, if you click on them, you will get voltage and current for these nodes. I already made it. And if you run here the time domain simulator, it will take just a few seconds with these settings I made, and right after you will see the output. Okay, here you have one full cycle and you will have the different outputs, voltage and current. Okay, as you know, you can go detail by detail, little by little, seeing the values. You can screenshot, zoom in, zoom out, etc. Okay, next you will go again to the lab handbook and repeat the same procedure for different frequencies as explained here, and you will try to build this table again using simulations. Okay, you will follow the same procedure for next figure, and you will compile everything into a single lab report. The lab report will be, as usual, following the same scheme: title, introduction, abstract, materials and methods, etc. In the materials and methods section, maybe you want to include also real devices. Okay, links, images, etc. from the real devices. We have here the function generator, we have here the scope. Okay, you want to maybe also report in the references section websites for the images and the data you got to include these elements into your report. That's all you have to do. Good luck, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate to write me. Stay safe.